Hello friends. Welcome to my tutorial. Today I will teach you how to create and set up Facebook ads account or how to set up Facebook Business Manager. Let's start. First of all, log into your Facebook personal account. After you have logged into your Facebook account, go to the search bar on your browser and type business.facebook.com when the page is open. Click on Create an Account. A pop-up to create your business account in Business Manager will come up. You have to put your name, or you choose any name for your Facebook business account. Fill in your preferred names in the box, and you put your names on the second box. Enter your email account address. And click Submit. Your account has been created. Now you will need to confirm your email address. Log into the email used when you created your Facebook personal account to confirm. A new way to access your accounts. Click on Get Started. Click on Ads Manager, and go to Business Settings. Click on it. You see this person doesn't have any ad account yet. Scroll down and click on Add. Click here to add an account. You will see other ways in which you can get access to any Facebook ad account. Click on Create a new ad account. Fill in the required information. You can choose any currency here. And complete the remaining information, and click Next. Tick on My Business, or choose another business if the ad account if for managing another person's business. Click on Submit, add people and set permissions. Click on Assign. Now you have assigned someone access to the Facebook Ads account. You can now add your payment details to the account to be able to run ads. Thanks for watching my tutorial.